count. I'm learning to count. I'm learning to count, and I will do it with this. Now, little angels, are you okay? Is that okay? Are you okay where you are? Just wave if you can see me. We are learning to count, and we can do that in pattern. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu, Learning Simplified. We talked about yesterday about a pattern, and I remember we did the counting in ones, we did the counting in twos. Now, let us do the counting in threes. Who can give me a pattern with the counting in threes? I gave you an example yesterday. Give me an example of your own counting in threes. Let's start. We can do 27, 30, 33, 36, then find out the missing numbers. What did we say? Rule number one in a pattern? A pattern is something that is repeated, and it must be the same. If I'm adding 2 to each number, I will add 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So if I'm given a question like this, let me find out what is my pattern looking like. So first of all, I'll say from 27 to 30, how many did they add? 27, 28, 29, 30, which means they're adding 3 on each number. So if I add this, I will get 30. What if I add 30 plus 3? What do I get? 30 plus 3 should give me 33. Then 33 plus 3 gives you what? 33 plus 3 will give me 36. Now I am at 36 plus 3. What is 36 plus 3? 36 plus 3 will give me 36 in the head, 3 fingers out. So we say 36, 37, 38, 39. Very good. Very, very good. Now let's try another number. Let's try another number. If I'm given a number like 55, 50, 55, 58, 61, 64. Which one will be the missing number? We follow the same procedure. Yes, Janet, try and help us do this. This is 55. So we are saying if I do 55 plus 3, what am I getting? I'm getting 58. And 58 plus 3, I will get 61. Then 61 plus 3 gives me a 64. Then 64 plus 3 gives me a, we go 64 in the head, 3 fingers out. We say 64, 65, 66, 67. So I have a 67. So my missing number will be 67. Alternatively, they can also tell you, make an addition pattern using the rule of add 3. Starting from number 13. So they just tell me, make addition pattern using the rule of add number 3. And they say, make sure you do what? You start from 13. Using the addition pattern, you say 13 plus 3 should give you. So they are saying you maybe find the next 6 or 4 missing numbers. So you just go and say 13 plus 3 will be 16. Then 16 plus 3, we go 16, 17, 18, 19. Then 19 plus 3 should give you 19, 20, 21, 22. Then they say 22 plus 3 should give you 22, 23, 24, 25. So when you get the next 4 missing numbers or 3 missing numbers, it will be 16, 19, 22, and 25. Now, this is the work you're going to carry home and do it with your parents. I have here 17, 20, 23, 26. So which one is the missing number? Okay. Then the second one, I have 80, 82, 84, 86. Which one is the missing number? The third one here, I have 65, 66, 67, 68. Which one is the missing number? Okay? Tomorrow when we meet, I want to see that work well done, and people should now have no problem when it comes to doing number patterns, and especially when it's in addition. Any question? Any problem? Yeah? Okay? Now, make sure you do the homework so that when we meet tomorrow, we will start with these 3 questions. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.